What is going on, everybody? IronSmithy here, back with another video. Today I am honored to bring you guys my first ever studio tour. This is something that has been asked for a long time in my streams over on twitch.tv/IronSmithy. You can come join us there. We stream 6 days a week. We play a lot of Sea of Thieves. We are doing some Ashes of Creation stuff now as well, and just having a blast. So if you're looking for a good time, you're looking for a fun community, come on over and join us. We'd love to have you. But we are here for a studio tour. Forge family, YouTube fam, I would not be able to do this without the extreme generosity of Pipeline and Corsair and their scholarship program. They teamed up back in January of 2021 to help content creators like myself actually turn our passions, our hobbies into a full-time career. And today you're going to see some of the culmination of their efforts, bringing together this studio that I have only dreamt of since I was a child. And to see it all come to fruition after a year of content creation only is absolutely mind-blowing. Throughout this video, I'm going to show you a few photos starting off of how I first started, my first setup when I got into content creation. And then we will go into the video montage of where we are today, with a huge portion of that being thanks to Pipeline and Corsair and their amazing scholarship program. If you're interested in that, if you're curious what the Pipeline and Corsair scholarship program is, there'll be links to that in the description down below. So make sure you guys go check it out. I would not be where I am today without Pipeline, and it has absolutely changed my life. So without any further ado, we're going to jump right in to this studio tour video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know this has been a dream of mine since I was a child, and it's something I'm very proud of to bring to you guys today. So here we go. So there you have it, Forge. There is the studio tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is something that, like I said earlier, I only dreamed of having as a child. I never thought I would have a studio like this or a setup like this or anything like that. And to go from where we've come from only a year ago, just over a year ago when we started streaming, to where we are today, I mean, none of this would have been possible without the generosity of organizations like Corsair, Elgato, Pipeline. I would not have been able to get all this together without, you know, becoming a scholarship recipient and them showing faith in me at such an early stage. So hats off to them. Nothing but love and appreciation for all those organizations. It has been a pleasure. It has been an honor, and I can't wait to see where we are in the future, moving forward, as we continue to grow, as we continue to make connections, and hopefully get to hook all of you up with some amazing swag as well. I do giveaways as often as I possibly can, generally at least once a month. hooking you guys up with some gear and some swag to bring your setups to the next level as well. So hopefully you guys join the Discord and you guys can get in on some of those amazing giveaways. And with that being said, I don't want to take up any more of your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, as always, please leave a comment down below. Like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends. It helps out more than you guys possibly know. And until the next video, stay safe and stay healthy.